Welcome to this week's episode of 5 Minutes of Management. I'm Frank Kalman along with Rick Bell. Rick, this is a bittersweet episode of 5 Minutes of Management for me, for it will be my last episode.
Oh my God.
You heard that right. Starting February 1st, I'll be leaving Workforce's parent company, Human Capital Media, for another exciting opportunity. Rick, it's been a pleasure shooting these videos with you each week. I'm going to miss it.
Me too, Frank. I mean, what on earth am I going to do by myself? I'll have to cut it in half. It'll be 2.5 minutes of management.
Despite the sad news, we still have a great episode today. We're going to talk about rising healthcare costs for those who receive insurance through their employer, as well as the high-flying career opportunities in the fast food industry. Rising prices for prescription drugs, surgery, ER visits, and other services drove a 4.6% increase in total spending per person in 2016 versus 4.1% in 2015 and less than 3% the two prior years. This is according to research from nonprofit Healthcare Cost Institute, which analyzed data on nearly 40 million people up to age 65 with employer-sponsored insurance. Rick, are you surprised by this?
Well, Frank, what surprises me is that this Healthcare Institute found these numbers despite HIPAA regulations. I'm not quite sure how they accessed it, but really the numbers don't surprise me. The numbers have been dropping. Yeah, they've gone up a little bit now because of these things. Specialty drug prices especially have really come into effect. But I mean, we were seeing numbers in the 6%, 8% range not that long ago. So no, not a big surprise.
I think you hit it on the head. I think it's probably prescription drug prices. I don't know for sure, but we'll have to dig into those numbers. Never, because this is my last episode. Rick, what do you got for us?
Did you know, Frank, that it's not uncommon for store managers to earn up to $160,000 at a particular burger chain? That's triple the industry average. Yep, In-N-Out Burgers, my fave, realized long ago that good pay and quality benefits is the secret sauce to a dedicated and loyal workforce. Their workers start at $13 an hour. They offer 401k plans, paid vacation, and dental and vision coverage for part-time and full-time workers. That's a rarity in the fast food industry. And check this out. Glassdoor's ranking of the best places to work in 2018, In-N-Out finished number 4 and beat out tech giants like Google and Microsoft. It was the only restaurant chain in the top 50. So Frank, maybe reconsider your career move, pack up the old Studebaker Conestoga and head west to be a line cook at In-N-Out.
That's actually the big secret, Rick. I'm actually moving on to man the fry station at In-N-Out Burger. The benefits were too good to pass up.
Oh my God.
Jokes aside, that's great. I mean, as any company knows, your customers are going to interact with your frontline employees more than anybody else. So it makes sense that In-N-Out Burger and frankly every other food service chain would want to pay those workers a good salary so they keep them happy and keep them engaged and peppy as they interact with everybody. The In-N-Out Burger, let me tell you, Rick, that line is always out the door.
Oh my God.
We don't have them here in the Midwest,
No.
but we should. And if I were eating there, I would want my employees to be paid well too there.
Well, I have to tell you, Frank, that's my first stop. When I head out west, In-N-Out Burger literally is my first stop. The In-N-Out Burger in Carmel Mountain Ranch in San Diego is my first stop as soon as I get off the plane and I'm going to visit my mom. I take my burger, my fries, and my Coke. I go get the number 1 and then head over to Mom's and hang out and eat my burger.
From In-N-Out Burger's perspective, look, they raise their wages, they offer benefits, and they get free PR from people like us. How does it get any better than that?
It doesn't.
Well, Rick, I can't think of a better way to end my last 5 Minutes of Management episode than talking about cheeseburgers. So
Me neither.
thank you for bringing that news story to us.
You bet.
For the last time, for more 5 Minutes of Management and reliving all the memories we've created here, you could, of course, visit us on our YouTube page and, of course, follow us on Twitter at @WorkforceNews. And for all workforce coverage, you could check out www.workforce.com. For the last time, I'm Frank Kalman here with Rick Bell. Smell you later.
Let's go grab a burger.